Hey, I wanted to show you my idea for a project board for doing macrame. I've just taken a pegboard, had my husband cut it down with a piece of scrap pegboard, cut it down to about 1 foot by about 30 inches maybe. You can make it whatever size you want. And the neat thing is that it's versatile. So right now I have my J hooks hooked here. They're nice. They're plastic, but they anchor in there very nicely, so this isn't going anywhere. But if I need to flip the board around to the side for a wider project, I sure can. So it has a lot of flexibility. So where did this crazy idea come from to do a pegboard like this? Well, one, I want to teach a class, and there's no place for everybody to hang their projects. So this way they can be working on a board. It's got nice, firm traction for what they're doing, and it'll be easy for me to go around the room and see how their project is coming because it's on a board. The other neat thing is I'm sitting here in front of my computer so I can look at my pattern while I'm working, and I don't have to print it out every time. I could just sit here and do it. Or I can be in front of the television set watching TV with my husband, and I'm busy doing macrame because I don't know about you, but I can't just sit there and do nothing. The other thing this does is it keeps my work at an ergonomic position so that there's less fatigue. So I struggle with fatigue and also shoulder pain, and so pulling things above shoulder level makes me hurt. This way everything is right below shoulder level, so I'm getting my tension and I'm not having to stress that shoulder muscle out. So many reasons to use a project board. I hope you enjoy my crafty idea and give it a go.